Welcome to the delightful world of gardening, where the fresh aroma of soil and the vibrant colors of nature come together in perfect harmony. If you've ever dreamed of growing your own juicy, flavorful tomatoes, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the secrets of cultivating perfect tomatoes, straight from the expertise of a chef-turned-gardener. By the end of this article, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to transform your tomato growing endeavors into a bountiful success. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide will provide you with invaluable insights into growing tomatoes that burst with flavor and nutrition. The foundation of any great tomato garden starts with the soil. Tomatoes thrive in rich, well-drained soil with a slightly acidic pH level between 6.0 and 6.8. Start by testing your soil's pH and nutrient levels. You can purchase a soil testing kit from a local garden center or online. Once you know your soil's composition, you can amend it accordingly. For optimal tomato growth, mix in organic compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and structure. This not only provides essential nutrients, but also enhances moisture retention and drainage. Adding a layer of mulch around your tomato plants helps retain soil moisture and prevents weeds from competing for nutrients. Choosing the right tomato varieties is crucial for a successful harvest. There are countless tomato varieties, each with unique flavors, sizes, and growth habits. Some popular types include beefsteak, cherry, heirloom, and Roma tomatoes. When selecting your seeds or seedlings, consider your climate and growing conditions. Heirloom tomatoes are known for their exceptional flavor and unique colors, but can be more susceptible to diseases. Hybrid tomatoes, on the other hand, are bred for disease resistance and higher yields. Experiment with different varieties to find the ones that best suit your taste and garden environment. Proper planting and spacing are vital to ensure your tomato plants have enough room to grow and receive adequate sunlight. Start by planting your tomatoes after the last frost date in your area, when the soil has warmed up. Tomato plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily to thrive. Space your tomato plants 18 to 24 inches apart, depending on the variety. Indeterminate varieties, which continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season, require more space and support. Plant your tomatoes deep, burying 2/3 of the stem to encourage strong root development. Determinate varieties, which grow to a set height and produce all their fruit at once, can be spaced closer together. Consistent watering is key to growing healthy tomato plants. Tomatoes require regular watering to maintain even soil moisture, especially during dry spells. Water deeply and thoroughly, aiming for the base of the plant to avoid wetting the foliage, which can lead to fungal diseases. A general rule of thumb is to provide 1 to 2 inches of water per week, depending on weather conditions. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and reduces the need for frequent watering. If possible, use a soaker hose or drip irrigation system to deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and water waste. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, meaning they require a steady supply of nutrients to produce an abundant harvest.